Most of us use an Authenticator app like this one from Google to provide a rolling, one-time code to securely access your accounts. In this video, we'll be coding our very own Authenticator app using Python. In a few minutes, you'll have an authentication script that you can run right on your own machine and even on a phone or tablet. And before we go any further, I should warn you that this is for educational purposes only. There are two scripts that you can download from the GitHub repository in the description. One is a basic example that will just output the current two-factor authentication code in your command prompt and update it every 30 seconds. And that one's only about 16 lines of code. And there's a more visual example that uses the tkinter library to generate a little GUI window that'll open up and show you the same information, but it will look a little bit prettier. Before we do anything, we do have to install the library, and you can do that by running pip install pyotp. That's the Python one-time password library. Once we've done that, we are going to switch over to our Google security page, and we're going to set up an authenticator. So I'm on my Google account page, and I've clicked security, and now I'm going to click the option to set up an authenticator. I'm going to click set up authenticator, and if you were using one of the apps from the App Store, you would use the camera on your phone or other device to scan this QR code. We're going to say can't scan it. And then we need to copy this code. And we're going to take that back over to our Python script, and we're going to paste that in as our secret. And if you were to run this right now, you would see it's already outputting a 6-digit code. And if I talk long enough, that code should update. There we go. This should update every 30 seconds. And we can actually use that code to confirm our Authenticator app settings. So right now the code is, oh, it just changed. I'm going to copy that. And as you can see, it worked. So the Authenticator is already set up via this Python script. Now I will take that same code, and I'm going to copy it into my visual example. Right now it's line 32. And if I run that script, as you'll see, it's essentially doing the same thing. It just pops it open in a window that's a little bit more visual, and you get a countdown telling you how long that code is good for. And you have a little close button that you can use to close the window. And as you can see, if we were to run our Python script alongside the Google official Authenticator app, the codes are the same and they update at the same exact time. So you can actually use this in more than one location. You could have it on your phone for times when your phone is with you, and you could have this Python script as a backup if you need to put it on a secure desktop environment where maybe you don't have access to your phone. I hope you enjoyed the example. Feel free to check out the link to the GitHub and adapt the code however you'd like. Have a great day.